Hey everybody, Scott here. Today I'm going to tell you about Eaz-Lift's Gooseneck Stabilizer. This gooseneck stabilizer is designed to support your fifth wheel's overhang at the front of your trailer, preventing your trailer from rocking side to side or front to back whenever you're moving around inside. It has a 7,500 pound load capacity and is adjustable from 30 inches to 44 inches, and it's easy to set up. First, let's go through everything that's in the box. You have one gooseneck ball, one top connector, which is already connected to the 3 leg assemblies to make up the tripod, one chain with quick link, 3 bottom pads, 3 sets of locking nuts and bolts, and one adjusting rod that you can store in the leg assembly. Step 1. Make sure your trailer is parked and leveled to your satisfaction using your trailer's existing support jacks. Step 2. Screw the gooseneck ball into the tripod's top connector, spread the tripod legs apart, and attach the 3 bottom pads to each tripod leg using the locking nuts and bolts. And now thread the chain through the holes in the tripod legs, securing the chain with the quick link. Leave yourself plenty of slack for now. Step 3. Move the tripod so that it's underneath your trailer's gooseneck coupler. Make sure the tripod is rotated so that one of the legs is pointed towards the front of your trailer. For major height adjustments, move the legs inward or outward. Check to see that the legs are free from obstructions and are not resting on power cords or water lines. Step 4. Adjust the tripod legs until the gooseneck ball comes into contact with the gooseneck coupler, or as close as you can get it with the legs still being evenly spread apart. Now use the adjusting rod to tighten the gooseneck ball against the coupler. 2 turns after the initial contact is usually sufficient. Remember to always leave the gooseneck ball a little bit unscrewed during use. If you're raising it all the way up, a minimum of 1 inch of the threaded rod should be kept exposed below the nut weldment. Once your tripod is set, tighten the chain by connecting the quick link to the tightest link. Remember, the gooseneck stabilizer is designed to stabilize your trailer and should be used in conjunction with other support jacks or stands. It should never be the sole support of your trailer. And when you're done, it easily folds back down for storage. So there you have it, Eaz-Lift's Gooseneck Stabilizer. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.